Which of the following rays are more penetrating? Gamma rays. The waves used for sending signal to the satellite from ground station are microwaves. Which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? Nitrogen. As we climb up a mountain, the atmospheric pressure decreases. Most brightest planet is Venus. The age of the earth is dash years. 4.54 billion. The second smallest planet in our solar system is Mars. Study of life in outer spaces. Both the above. Dash is also called folic acid. Vitamin B9. Dash is a flow of free electrons. Current. Which gas helps in cooling in refrigerators? Tetrafluoroethane. The cheapest way to transport petroleum is by ocean tanker. AC to DC conversion is called rectifier. Which of the following is measured by an odometer? Distance. Photons have no mass, no charge. What is graphology? Study of handwriting. The core of the earth is made up of nickel and iron. What is the study of human cells called? Cytology. What is the weight of heart of adult human being? 300 grams. The study of the human structure. Anatomy.